Hello internet video viewers, Shel Sullivan here, and welcome back to my backyard explosive laboratory. Spring is here and you're in for a treat because it's another It Firecracker video. It's quite warm today. I don't think I'll be needing this down jacket anymore, and so it's going to become today's subject. It's kind of an old raggedy jacket. It's a feather down jacket, but I've burned some holes in it. So it's going to It Firecracker. It's kind of a foldable jacket. It's made to squeeze up and go into like a little pocket, like a portable warm jacket. So I think it'll be a good subject. Let's take a look at some of my supplies here. We're going to go with 10 grams today. I think the idea is we're going to zip tie the end of the sleeve closed here with the fuse sticking out. We'll flip it over. We'll put our flash powder in that sleeve and put another zip tie around that, and then we'll wrap as many layers of the jacket as we can around the little pocket. Let's do it. Fuse is cheap, fingers aren't here. We're gonna let's just go with what, 8 inches, 9 inches, 10 inches. All right, into the sleevey. You know what I think too? I think we should, I think I'm gonna cut this zipper off. I don't want any metal bits flying. Ditch the zipper. All right, there's our inside. We pull that fuse down about right there. See the pocket I've made? Let's get another zip tie ready to roll here. Let's see, pull that out. Okay. This part makes me nervous. It's very moist out here, so I don't think I'm in any danger of any static. So I think I'm good on that. I don't think I don't have to worry about any static charge. All right. Full 10 grammers on this one, guys. Scooch my fingers up so I know where that ball ends. Put this back through, right there. This is crazy. Oh my God. Keep the fuse near the outside there, and we're just going to roll. I'm just going to roll this whole jacket up into a jacket bomb. I think I should have enough force to break all this open and send feathers flying everywhere. I think I should tape that last bit instead of a tie wrap. I don't want tie wraps flying everywhere. It ain't gotta be pretty. I always get a little jittery. Like I'm going to a high school dance. All right, let's GoPro back a little bit. All right, guys, it's time to make your predictions. What do you think is going to happen? You think it's just gonna burn all this like nylon shell and melt and like incinerate all the little feathers? Or do you think we're gonna get a big burst of cloudy, downy feathers? That's what I'm hoping for. I'm gonna wait for the sun to come back out to get the best high-speed photography. Let's set it up. Here comes the sun. Doo doo doo. Here we go. Rolling. Slow-mo rolling. La la la, la la la. Oh, it stinks. La 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 la. That was really cool. Oh, it stinks so bad. All right, guys, I hope you had fun. If you did and you want to see more crazy stuff like this, then you know what to do. There's stuff, you subscribe, you know how to do that. Hit the bell. Me and my neighbor's having some fun over there. But you know what? For 10 grams, that's not as much damage as I thought it was going to be. Anyway, I hope you guys liked that video. If you thought it was fun, if you had fun, then please subscribe to my channel. It really helps out. Thumbs up, hit the little bell, you know all that stuff. I'll put some other links to It Firecracker stuff and the subscribe button around the screen now. If not, thanks for visiting.